In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check when a Pinterest pin was created. If you've ever come across a pin and wanted to know how old it is, this process is very simple to try. Just keep in mind that Pinterest does not always show a visible creation date for every pin, so in some cases the information may not appear. Still, it's worth checking because when the date is available, you can usually find it directly on the pin page. To begin, open Pinterest and sign in to your account. Make sure you're logged in properly so you can access the full pin view without any restrictions. If Pinterest opens on your home feed, that's perfectly fine. From there, you can search for the pin you want to inspect or open it from one of your boards, saved pins, or search results. Once you've found the pin you want to check, open it so you can view the full pin page. This is important because the small preview version of a pin usually won't show all of the details you need. You want the expanded view, where the image, title, description, and related information are easier to see. Next, scroll down to the pin details or description area. This is the section where Pinterest may display extra information about the pin, such as text added by the creator, source details, or other metadata. Take your time here and look carefully through the visible information. What you're looking for is a published date or timestamp. If Pinterest displays one, it may appear near the description or in the pin details section. Depending on the version of Pinterest you're using, the placement may vary slightly, especially between desktop and mobile, so it helps to scan the full details area before assuming it isn't there. One important thing to remember is that not all pins include a visible creation date. So if you don't see one, that doesn't necessarily mean you missed it. It may simply not be available for that specific pin. This is normal on Pinterest, and it can happen even when the pin is public and fully accessible. If the date is shown, then you've successfully confirmed when that pin was created or published. If it isn't shown, the best takeaway is that Pinterest does not currently provide that information for every pin in a consistent way. And that's how to check when a Pinterest pin was created.